Welcome back to another monthly review. This month's review is brought to you by ProClip USA. I've spent a whopping 1 month with their product, and I gotta say, I don't think I'd ever not have one in my car again. It fits and works splendidly. Absolutely enthused about that. Car's running really well. As you can tell, we are in Canada, so it now looks like Canada. We just got snow about a week ago, and it's just been slowly adding to the mix ever since. As you can tell, the car is, well, you know, loved. Dirty, abused, beaten, but I do consider myself a bit of a product quality tester. ACS Composites obviously sent me the splash guards there in the summer, which has been a nice addition, and they've worked well. Backup camera just gets covered. To be honest, it becomes almost useless all the time throughout the winter. But everything else works great. The ACS paint quality is amazing. I did the side skirts myself, which is why they usually don't look that great. But the splitter, the canards, and all that look amazing. To be honest, I really want to change the wing. I really want to get one of those ZL1 1LE replica wings, paint it gloss black, put it on to match all of the rest of the fascias and trims. I've been absolutely loving the new look. I've been loving the stripes all the way down and no underbrow lighting, or shadow, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. I've been just really digging it. The car's been doing amazing. We are currently on about 1 inch of ice with 3 to 4 inches of snow, and the car got turned around without an issue. It's very slippery. I'm struggling to just walk around the car. But yeah, transmission shutter, still a thing. I still need to get that sorted and take it down to the dealership. I should probably start this thing just so she doesn't get too cold on me while we're sitting here. And I do believe you guys don't mind the sound of a V8. And in the winter, it's pretty growly and pretty poppy. So I've been spending the last couple weeks kind of taking a hiatus. I haven't really posted much, and I've been just starting to get out and venture out into some new dealerships and other brands and trying to just do other things. I love the Camaro. I love the community. I love what I can do to this car, but for channel health, growth, and everything else, we do need to expand the content and the variety of what I'm doing. So that is the current plan of action, is just do more variety of stuff. So you'll see stuff from Porsche and a few other brands that I'm pretty excited to share. But for now, this is the Camaro, 29 months, running strong. Fuel economy is amazing. Winter comfort is outstanding. Heated seats, heated steering wheel work great. Key fob just died, so I gotta go get a battery for that, which is part of the reason I'm out. And I've found a beautiful, quiet filming location with somewhat of a quiet ambiance and a quiet surrounding, as you can tell. So these are actually rose bushes that surround all of this area, so in the summertime it should look pretty good, and there'll be bushes and vines and all kinds of stuff, and it'll be quite private and make my life a lot easier for filming videos. So that's it. Car's running strong. I appreciate the growth we've hit. Well, we just passed 3,600 subscribers, which is amazing. Huge shout out to Larry for getting the shout out from It's Just a Six and absolutely dominating, getting himself back into the monetization zone, which is key for the creators and a lot of the excitement. I have some stuff of my own to share in the future, but for now, I just want to say thank you. Cheers, and I hope everybody's enjoying their winter, because I sure as heck am. So until next time, take care, drive safe, and behave, as always.
Well, I thought it'd be fun to come out here and play in the snow and get these snowplow videos that everybody jokes about. As you can tell, I got back here without an issue. The snow was pretty deep, probably 12 to maybe 15 inches. And the car does what the car does. And then I backed up. It is on a downhill grade, and well, she's buried, so I guess I gotta get a shovel and start figuring it out. I might need a bit of a tug or tow. Very glad the tow hook's in. I'm just gonna point that out. It seems a little ridiculous to put it on, but I mean, I'm out here. As you can tell, the splitter did its job, and it's holding and collecting and clearing snow like a champion. I am extremely glad to have that under tray from ACS, because the strength is obviously next worldy. She does resemble a bit of a McLaren Speedtail now with the solid front rim, which I think adds a real sense of pop and flair. It's going to be a bit of a dig, so I think I should grab a shovel and kind of get started, so I'm not here all day. Yeah, stay tuned.